His credit card got declined at a dinner table, and that night he lost 3 friends he had known for 15 years. The story. Let me tell you about Farhan, a guy who always picked up the check, every dinner, every birthday party, every weekend hangout. He was the generous one, the one everyone called first when they wanted to go out. And his weapon of choice was a shiny credit card with a limit he could not actually afford. For 2 years, Farhan swiped that card like it was free money. Fancy restaurants, expensive gifts, weekend trips. Everyone around him smiled. Everyone called him brother. Everyone said, "Farhan, you are the best." But behind that plastic card was a truth Farhan never talked about. Late payment fees, minimum balance traps, interest piling up like a silent monster eating his salary every single month. Then one evening, it happened. A dinner with his closest friends. The bill came. Farhan reached for his card like always. Declined. He tried again. Declined. The table went quiet. He laughed nervously and said, "Guys, can someone cover me this time?" And that silence, that 3-second silence told him everything. One friend looked away, another checked his phone. The third one split the bill, but never called him again after that night. 15 years of friendship, gone. Not because of money, but because the relationship was never built on anything real. It was built on a credit card. Here is what nobody teaches you about money and relationships. The people who love you for what you spend on them will disappear the moment your wallet gets thin. And the ones who stay when your card gets declined, those are the ones who actually care about you. A credit card can buy you attention. It can buy you a seat at the table, but it cannot buy you loyalty. It cannot buy you respect, and it will never buy you real love. So before you swipe that card again to impress someone, ask yourself one question. If my balance was 0 tomorrow, who would still answer my call? Stop buying relationships. Start building them. Share this with someone who needs to hear it today.